Hey everyone, today I'll show you how to make your Squarespace site public. Quick note, you'll need a paid plan for this. Let's jump in. First, open your browser and head to squarespace.com. Look for the Login button in the top right corner of the homepage and click on it. Enter your credentials to log in. Once you're logged in, if you manage multiple websites under your account, you'll see a dashboard showing all of them listed out. Just click on the specific website you want to make public to open its editor. Now you'll be looking at your site's main interface. On the left side, you'll see the home menu. That's where all your main navigation options are. Scroll down to the very bottom of that menu and you'll see a gear icon. That's your settings icon. Go ahead and click on it. When you do, a large pop-up will open up showing all of your Squarespace settings. Inside that settings pop-up, you'll see different sections. Look for the section labeled Website. Under the Website section, you'll find an option called Site Availability. Click on Site Availability to open that panel. Once the panel opens, you'll see 3 different visibility options laid out: public, password protected, and private. These control who can see your site. By default, all Squarespace sites start as private. That means only you and any contributors you've added can see the site. To make your site visible to everyone on the internet, select the public option. You can do this by clicking on the public radio button. You'll see it become selected and highlighted once you click it. Now you just need to save your changes to make them take effect. Look for the Save button. You'll find it right there in the Site Availability panel, usually at the bottom. Click on Save. The moment you click it, your site goes live and anyone on the internet can visit it. Now that your site is public, search engines like Google can find and index it. If you want to speed that up, you can request that Google or Bing reindex your site right after publishing. One more thing, if you're connecting a custom domain, it might take 24 to 72 hours for that domain to become fully active. That's just how DNS propagation works. And that's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.